Off we go again, arting away. I've got two 20 by 25 canvases. As I previously explained in other videos, I'm quite liking doing these size canvases to gift. Instead of a Christmas card, I'm gifting a canvas to my family and close friends. So far nicer to have a gift that's made, I believe, so hope so anyway. So I'm going to do a basic dirty cut pour on these two little canvases, and we're gonna see how we go. This one I'm going dark base, so I'll go this navy on this one, and I think on the other one I will go the lighter colour, or I might go I might even go on the other one turquoise. So I'm going to do like a basic flip cut and sort of float it a bit, or that's the plan. Not too worried at the moment about the excess paint, because that will find its way off somewhere. So this one I've got some turquoise pre-mixed stuff that I save all my bottles to reuse for mixing paint. Oh, this is a bit thick. Okay, yeah, that's a bit thick. A bit thicker, so I might just add some water to that, not pouring medium. I'll just add some water, give it a shake up. Yeah, try and save all of your bottles to make paints up. Just recycle them, don't let them too many end up. Well, I suppose with the recycling nowadays, we've got particular recycling bins. It's not so bad, is it, if you recycle your plastics? But they're great to use as in your acrylic art, because you actually pay about $4 or $5 for a squeezy bottle that size if it's just a blank one. Well, this will be interesting because they're completely two different thicknesses of paint. So it will be interesting to see how my little cut pours. So I'm going to just pop this a bit forward, get my little cups, and I might start off with a little bit of the turquoise in the bottom. So now I'm using a squeegee. Okay, and then I think I will go to my lovely, well, it was dark sea is the global colour, and I mixed it with metallic silver. So, oh, it's come up really beautiful and glistening. Actually, I might have mixed it with metallic gold. It's been such a while ago now, I don't remember. Rightio, I'm going to go to this bit of wicker that I still have left. Go away, that fly, cheeky fly. Oh, nearly said curse words then on camera. Cheeky fly. Silly Jilly. Okie doke. And I will add a little bit of, I've got a little bit of black left here, so I don't want to put too much in, but it might be just what it needs to give it a bit of a pop. And then I'll go to some really nice kind of minky colour that I have mixed up, which I'm going to use in my next pour I do. I'll just use a bit of that. Excuse me. And then I've got some metallic gold, metallic bronze or copper. Not sure which one it is. Some beautiful colours in there, so I really think they're going to gel nicely together. To that lovely dark sea again. I do like that very much. Mixed with you can either mix it with silver or gold. Each time it comes out a beautiful colour. Probably best to use up the rest of this before it goes too yucky, as I'm sure those colours are going to marry nicely. Rightio. I think a squeege of white. I've just made up a new container of white, so just a good squeeze of that. Oops. doing, silly Julie? Just giving it a good squeeze. Rightio. So now I'll just put my cups aside, make sure I don't get in a sticky mess. I'm having to keep double checking on my silly camera because it keeps going off when I'm halfway through a pour, so I've been told it may be because there's not enough memory left, but I'm not sure. Rightio, a quick flick, that's it. These are 113ml cups for this small canvas, so that's what I'm using. And I'll just give them a second or two, a little tap, easy wizzy, let's get busy. Oh, that looks really good against the dark navy. So should I just burp that one out, like give it a lip through it? Oh yes. Really wanted to keep some of that negative space, but it doesn't look like I'm going to achieve that. Oh, silly Jilly. Oh, that is so nice though. Already I can see that's beautiful. Just want to cover the canvas, but let's come back with some of that. Oops. That dark blue. I really do like the dark in there. I'm sure that's going to show some lovely effect already, the lacing of the gold that I've used in it. So remember they were basically two same colours, so let's see. Wow, oh love that too. Wow, wow, wow. Oh my goodness. So just a gentle tilt. So it's covering my edges. Oh, I do like that. I have to tilt it down that way. How different are they? Filling the cups the same way, but they're definitely different. This one isn't flowing off the canvas so easy because remember that turquoise underneath was very thick. It's chugging along very slowly. I'll try and tilt it from there. Right, now just re-center it back again. I'll bring it back so I don't leave the paint all at one end. Okay, let me just try and give it a hit with my heat wand. I'm not really after cells, but some nice laciness come up might be nice. And it might even be nice if I were to do a bit of the palette knife with the Aussie slides in it. But oh, nice. Started my dryer up. Or is that a ghost? There we go. I'm going to, where's my little palette knife? There it is. I'm going to do, through this area, an Aussie slide. So this is Amsterdam paint, only just mixed with Australian Floetrol. And it just helps you get some really nice lacy effect. So I'm just going to put that on my back of this little flat spatula. And I'm going to Aussie slide it. Well, it's Aussie Floetrol. Oh, lovely. Oh my goodness, you ought to see these cells. That is beautiful. I'll bring you down in a second. Let's see if I can get some more in there. So just putting it on here. So it's very simple. But you've just got to have a very light hand in it, not too heavy-handed. You ought to see those have come up with the greens. Definitely like a snake skin, and I think that's definitely all it needs in the just a point of difference. So let's see what comes up in that turquoise. I think would be nice. Again, just a little bit on your spatula. You don't make this paint too thin. It's yeah, it's not thick, but it's not too thin. So, oh wowzers trousers! Oh my goodness, how gorgeous is that? When I bring you down, you will see. Now I've got to do just one more on this one, haven't I? Well, I haven't, but I will. Oh, wow, 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 wow. Wow, I need to bring you down and see this. So lovely, very, very nice. It just adds a little bit of point of difference in there. Just look at those. How gorgeous is that? Really beautiful. You can never see it from the camera's position. I mean, I'm using an iPhone. Don't know if, you know, that's good enough or what, but the effect is pretty nice. And over to the more turquoisey one. Look at that. It looks like gemstones in there. Follow that one through, look. Gorgeous. And then the other side. So you could take high definition photos of different areas that you really love in your piece of art to make whole separate prints out of. Some different pieces of art out of it. The opportunities are endless. Look at that. That really makes it look like a 3D effect. Serpent. Well, my lovelies, I really hope that you enjoyed that bit of craziness again, and I'd give anything a go because it might be the next big thing. Not that everything has been done before, trust me, it has in art, I believe. So that was a nice little relaxing little pour today, so I hope you enjoyed it, and I will be back tomorrow. Please take care. Bye for now.